Hi everyone, this is Samuel from Zoom. Your podcast might include intro music, ad spots, sound effects, or other clips that you want to drop in during your show. The P4next makes this super easy. While recording, you can instantly trigger preloaded or custom sounds using the 4 sound pads. We've included a few built-in effects like applause, laughter, and an air horn, but you can also load your own. Just copy your audio files onto the P4next SD card and place them in the SoundPad folder. Then, on the P4next, go to the SoundPad menu, choose the pad you want, and select Sound Assign. You'll see all of your custom sounds ready to go. You can even record your own soundbite directly onto the pad. Just hold the record button, press the pad you want to record to, then press record again when you're done. To fine-tune your mix, you can adjust the overall SoundPad volume or change levels for individual pads right in the menu. There are 6 playback modes for the SoundPads. One shot plays the sound from start to finish, then stops. Hold keeps playing as long as you hold down the pad. Pause lets you start, pause, and resume playback with each press, and you can stop it by holding the pad. Loop repeats the sound continuously until you press the pad again. For a smoother exit, choose fade out short or fade out long, which loop your sound but gradually fade it out when stopped. With the P4next, adding dynamic sound to your podcast is simple. For more information about the P4next, check out the other videos on our YouTube channel and visit our website, zoomcorp.com. Good luck and enjoy creating.